Clean Carfax, one owner, alloy wheels, and CD player. Wagon buying made easy. Stop. Read this. Warranty forever with no fine print and no catches. How tempting is this good-looking 2002 Ford Focus? New car test drive called it. Fun to drive, with brisk acceleration performance and agile handling. This Focus acts like it has as much cargo room as a moving van. It is nicely equipped with features such as Clean Carfax, one owner, alloy wheels, and CD player. This includes our exclusive lifetime warranty for as long as you own the car at absolutely no cost to you. Please call Paul Weinstock at 262-363-3085.